Okay, welcome back to the Mojave Gardener. We've had some pretty cold weather here the last couple of mornings, and all the stuff we put in the greenhouse froze also. We had temperatures down in the teens the last 2 mornings, and I'll show you what's happened here. We're going to do a complete remodel of the greenhouse this year. Still trying to make those plans, and as you see, I'm ready for the cold weather myself here. So let's take a look at the greenhouse. The outside garden doesn't have much to look at. It's going to be completely redone. We're putting fertilizer down now on that, and most of that's going to be chicken fertilizer and rabbit fertilizer, so our manure, I should say, from the two. So by spring and by summer, we should have a rip-roaring garden, definitely. So let's look at the greenhouse here. Okay, as you can see here, our pepper plants didn't make it. We were staying about 10 degrees above whatever the outside temperature was, and we were just barely down to freezing. We lost our Roma tomatoes here, and some of our peppers made it through and some didn't. Like this one back over here, as you can see, it's gone. It froze. So far my habaneros, jalapenos are doing fine. Pepper plant, bell peppers aren't looking too good. But these other peppers over here, the ones that I forget the names because they're not common. Some of the plant got hit, some of it didn't. So that's just the way it goes. You never know how the frost is going to go. Our little roast peppers here, I call them now, since they have a really roasted flavor. They give everything a really smoky flavor. Half the plant got hit, half the plant didn't, so it's just the way it goes. We've gotten everything's off of the A-frame here. We're gonna clean it all out, get it ready to start planting probably some lettuce here. Come back around. All the tomato plants here are gone. As you can see, I ripped them out because they froze. So they went out into the compost pile. And the sump for the fish tank, we still got it going because we do still have fish. I'll head out there in a minute and show you that tank. So all this is going to change around in here this winter. I think this A-frame is going to end up going over here in the center, and then I'm going to have shelve units running down this side and the other to have multiple shelves of plants growing, ones that don't get very tall. So, yeah, at least to start plants out in early spring. So, let's go outside and see what's going on out there. Okay, out here in the garden here, you can see we've got manure spread into the beds and covered so that the dogs don't dig in there. So the whole garden is put away for winter, and we got our compost pile going there. Gonna get the shredder going and shred all that up so we can compost easier. And we got the fish tank here. Let's see. I don't think any of the fish are going to come up where you can see them. We're only feeding them about twice a week now. I don't know if you can see them. I can see them down in there. There's some fish. They're staying down deep in the water. So they kind of half hibernate in this cold weather, so they don't eat very much. They don't have to be fed every day. Just about twice a week. That's all we feed them. And, that's about it for outside garden tour. Okay, that does it for our little short tour here. It might be a while before we put out another video, being that it's winter and Christmas time. There's not a whole lot going on outside except for spreading fertilizer, and maybe as I start the remodel in the greenhouse here, I'll put out a video. But until spring, there's probably not going to be very much videos put out. So if you like our videos, hit that like button. Please share them. Subscribe so that you're notified when we get a new video out. And also hit that bell notification. That'll help in that aspect of being notified. And have a great day and keep gardening.